Hey guys, in this video we are going to explore the electronics through animated series. Let's understand what is a voltage and a current. Voltage is nothing but a pushing force. For electrons to flow in a circuit, it requires a pushing force, and that's a voltage. Let's take the battery as an example, which consists of large number of electrons and they are being pushed by the use of voltage. Let's see the definition for voltage. Voltage is the potential difference between 2 points. Too technical, isn't it? Let's go more practical. Consider a battery. It has a negative terminal and a positive terminal. Electrons always flows from a negative terminal to the positive terminal only when we provide a force. Let's take a 1.5 volt battery. Since the potential difference between the two terminals is too small, the electrons flow is very slow. Considering the 9 volt battery, the potential difference is too high and the electron flow is very fast. Summarizing, the larger the voltage or difference, the larger the force. Let's see what is a current. We can call the current as flow of electrons, that is, how many electrons flow through the circuit in 1 second. Before going into the topic of current, let's understand what are electrons. We all know the world is made up of atoms, starting from a little microorganism to large rockets. Everything is packed of atoms. An atom consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons. In electronic engineering, protons and neutrons play no role. We are going to deal only with the electrons and holes. Hole is the lack of an electron at a position, which means they are not actually particles. Since in a normal atom, the negative charge of an electron is balanced by the positive charge of nuclei. The absence of an electron leaves a net positive charge at the hole's location. Holes in a metal can move through the atom as electrons can and act similarly to positively charged particles. Let's check out the example to know the current in a better and easy way. Take a battery and a copper wire. Connect it from the negative terminal to positive terminal. The copper wire is a conductor, which means n number of atoms are present inside a conductor and electrons are present inside the atoms. They are all revolving around the nucleus in the outermost orbit. Now, when I switch on my battery, a pushing force will be created, that is, a voltage will be created, and then electron from one atom jumps to another atom. But the another atom is already being filled up of electrons and it is forced to split out an electron to the third atom. In this way, the electrons flow from a negative terminal to the positive terminal. When the pushing force is high, then the speed of flow of electrons is also going to be high. Thus, deriving the Ohm's law, V is directly proportional to I. Let's meet once again for some other video. Subscribe to futurbotz.